Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 on MacBook. First, ensure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for the game. This typically involves checking your processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Next, we'll explore the primary methods for getting the game running, focusing on official and widely supported approaches. We'll cover installation steps and essential settings to optimize your gameplay. Let's get started with the first method. One popular method involves using Steam, the game's official platform, combined with a compatibility layer. While Left 4 Dead 2 doesn't have a native Mac OS version, tools like Crossover or Proton allow Windows games to run on Mac. You'll install Steam, then use the compatibility software to create a Windows environment. This approach often provides good performance, but requires some initial setup and configuration to get everything running smoothly. For Intel-based MacBooks, Boot Camp offers a robust solution by allowing you to install a full version of Windows. This means you can run Left 4 Dead 2 natively, often resulting in the best performance. You'll use the Boot Camp Assistant utility to partition your hard drive and install Windows. Remember to allocate enough space for both Windows and the game itself. Once installed, simply boot into Windows to enjoy the game. To enhance your Left 4 Dead 2 experience, optimize your in-game settings. Lowering resolutions or adjusting shadow quality can significantly boost frame rates. Ensure no unnecessary applications are running in the background, consuming valuable CPU and RAM. For a truly immersive session, a clean environment helps too. Speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.